For sale is this 1998 Ford Taurus, once driven by Geoff Bodine with a Thunderbird body on it. The chassis features a 110-inch wheelbase, chassis made by Laughlin Racing Products with a LRP 943 serial number on it. The car has been converted for road racing. The left suspension points have been relocated to balance the camber and caster on the front end. The rear end has camber on both sides. Has a spring setup for road racing, 1,100 pounds on the front with an 1.5 inch sway bar, 250 springs in the back. QA1 custom tuned shocks by Nike suspension specialist in California. Has a 370 rim polished lightweight gear with the light springs and the Detroit locker rear end. Has a Tex Racing T101A dog box transmission in it, geared as well as possible for road racing. Has current HSR 2025 inspection and logbook. Has a brand new fuel safe fuel bladder tank with a new fuel system in it. Currently set up for 60 psi, but can be adjusted down to 9 psi for a carburetor system. New tank, new foam, new filters, lines, vent line, all set up ready to roll. During the restoration process, all new Lexan windows were installed. A lot of paint work was done to the dash and rear package tray. New fire extinguisher, window net, seat belts. The seat currently is not a road race seat, that is just to move the car around. VDO gauges. Car's been completely rewired. Battery box manufactured and moved to the right side of the car, with 170 pounds of lead in the right frame rail to balance the car out. Car has brake ducts added, bigger capacity radiator system. Currently has a LS engine. It has been modified to look like a Ford race engine. Big fans. Brake duct hoses are ram, but they do not have mounting to the spindle or brake assemblies yet. The motor features a Holley fuel injection Terminator X Stealth, so it's got a 4-barrel throttle body with fuel injection mounted inside the car. Has rebuilt JFZ brakes, large piston front, smaller piston rear. Car also comes with a bucket full of extra brake pads and the old road race brakes that were on it, which were much smaller piston diameters. The brake system is all new with new master cylinder, new clutch hydraulics. All the steel brake lines were replaced with stainless brake lines to eliminate corrosion and rust. Has Craftsman Truck LS header system on it. Car can be purchased minus engine and fuel injection if customer owner wants. We have 16 tires total, including the ones on the car, all scuffs, all with a date code of 5/23, and one extra set of rims. I still have all the components that were removed from the car originally, the original Lexan. I have a second set of gears for the transmission, which was a fresh build. Also has a spare 340 gear, rim finished, lightweight, with the Detroit locker and the lightweight springs in the locker for road course racing. If you want to go vintage road racing, this is the car. Priced to sell, currently asking $45,000. turnkey with all spares, or $35,000 minus motor and fuel injection. Also have a spare dry shaft, spare Sagnal 4-speed, spare radiator. Everything I have for this car or came off this car will go with it.